Welcome to Junk My Car in Forest Hills, Queens, New York. Fast cash for junk cars. If you have an old, unwanted, damaged, wrecked, or non-running vehicle sitting in your driveway, garage, parking lot, or on the street here in Flushing, Junk My Car Forest Hills, Queens, New York is here to help. We buy junk cars throughout Forest Hills and the surrounding neighborhoods, offering fast cash payments and free vehicle removal. Whether your car runs or not, we make the process simple, fast, and stress-free. Many Forest Hills vehicle owners have cars they no longer use. Maybe the engine failed, the transmission is gone, maybe the vehicle was involved in an accident, or it's simply costing too much money to repair. Instead of letting that vehicle sit and lose value, turn it into cash today. At Junk My Car Forest Hills, Queens, New York, we buy cars, trucks, SUVs, vans, minivans, and all other vehicle types. We purchase vehicles in any condition: running vehicles, non-running vehicles, damaged vehicles, salvage vehicles, abandoned vehicles, and unwanted cars and trucks are all welcome. Our process is simple. First, call us at 1-929-445-5344 or visit junkmycarqueensny.com. Next, tell us a little information about your vehicle. We'll ask about the year, make, model, condition, and location. Then we'll provide you with an instant cash offer. Once you accept our offer, we'll schedule a convenient pickup time and remove the vehicle at no cost to you. There are no towing fees, no hidden charges, no surprises. Our experienced team proudly serves Forest Hills and nearby areas including Laurelton, Queens Village, Jamaica, Springfield Gardens, St. Albans, and many other surrounding communities. We understand that selling a junk car can feel overwhelming. That's why we focus on making every transaction quick, professional, and straightforward. Our goal is to provide excellent customer service while helping Forest Hills residents get rid of unwanted vehicles and receive cash in return. Whether your vehicle has high mileage, mechanical problems, accident damage, missing parts, or simply isn't worth repairing, we are ready to make an offer. Don't let that unwanted vehicle continue taking up space. Get cash for your junk car today. Call Junk My Car Queens, New York at 1-929-445-5344 or visit us online at junkmycarqueensny.com. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and follow us for more helpful vehicle selling tips, local Forest Hill services, and cash for car updates. You'll find our phone number, website, and contact information in the links below. We look forward to helping you turn your unwanted vehicle into cash.